Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Danielle Niles. Clearing coming in through the day today. The breeze kicking up behind the front and gusting occasionally over 20 miles per hour as we jump into the 60s this afternoon. Turns into a nice day overall. Tonight, just a few passing clouds. Lows in the 40s for most of us. A subsiding wind. We dip briefly into the upper 30s in some of the most outlying suburbs. Think southwest New Hampshire, central Mass, things like that. Tomorrow, a beautiful spring day. Sunshine, couple clouds mixed in, high pressure in control, and a light wind. Sea breeze kicks in at the coast then. Because of it, will keep us a little bit cooler right along the immediate shoreline. Notice the highs there just a tad cooler in the 50s, but still in the 60s through the interior. Enjoy it because rain returns on Friday. Looks like maybe a dry start in the morning, then rain moves in and may linger into Saturday morning as well, and be out of here during the afternoon as the sun breaks out. Still plenty of dry periods to soak up this weekend, though, although there'll be a chance of showers later on Sunday. Temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s. See you again tomorrow morning.